They began the process of developing their vaccine by gathering samples of the bacteria that cause whooping cough. To support them, local doctors and nurses provided cough plates from their patients. The patients coughed onto a petri dish, which was then put into an incubator. This allowed the bacteria to grow into colonies that Kendrick and Eldering could analyze. When they collected samples on their own, they would go to the homes of sick children. Each time, they were reminded once again of the dreadful suffering caused by the disease. The sight of these innocent young victims coughing and struggling to breathe was a powerful reminder of the urgent need for an effective vaccine. Kendrick and Eldering spent many long nights studying the bacteria and finally produced a potential vaccine. Before they performed any clinical trials, though, they had to be certain that it would not have any negative side effects on the subjects. They ran many laboratory tests, and they even injected it into themselves to confirm that it was safe. From 1934 to 1935, they conducted their first field test with 1-5-9-2 children. In the group of 7-12 vaccinated children, only 4 developed whooping cough, and none of these cases were serious. Despite the apparent success of the vaccine, Kendrick and Eldering wanted further confirmation of its effectiveness. They became determined to expand their research and run more tests with larger groups of children. However, they were unable to proceed because they were facing a severe lack of funds. With thousands of children continuing to suffer from the disease, they found themselves in a desperate situation. Luckily, they got help from an unexpected figure. In 1936, First Lady Eleanor Roosevelt herself visited the laboratory and saw with her own eyes the efforts that Kendrick and Eldering were making in their battle against whooping cough. Eleanor Roosevelt, whose husband suffered from polio, was interested in fighting infectious diseases. She spent time with the women and came to realize the enormous importance of their work. With her help, Kendrick and Eldering were able to secure enough funding to conduct a large-scale trial. Kendrick and Eldering were often told that they could have become very wealthy if they had patented their vaccine. However, they were